Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy International Women's Day. In Russian I'm gonna say с 8 марта. С 8 марта. Attention guys, don't forget to send gifts to your lovely women and of course to your favorite YouTube teacher. By the way guys, I created my Patreon account. I'd be very happy to see your support over there. So please check the link below. Let me teach you the most beautiful compliments for girls. The first one – красивая. Красивая, beautiful. Красивая. If you want to say you are beautiful, you're gonna say ты красивая. Ты красивая. Cute gonna be милая. Милая. Мими, милая. Милая. Cute. Ты милая. You are cute. Ты means you. Ты милая. Нежная. Gentle. Нежная. Нежная. Ты нежная. You are gentle. Ты нежная. Сладкая. Сладкая means sweet. Сладкая. Сладкая. Sweet. Ты сладкая. You are sweet. Сладкая. Сексуальная. Sexy. Сексуальная. Ты сексуальная. You are sexy. Ты сексуальная. And of course, guys, let's practice. Please write down in the comments below what you think about my outfit. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye. Lots of love. Your teacher, Marina.